Hello everybody. As you can tell, we're not in the shop today. Today we are at the Clark County Courthouse in Vancouver, Washington. This is the District Court Administration. This is the county clerk. Today we are filing a small claims suit against King Electrical Manufacturing. King Electrical Manufacturing manufactures these Atmoz thermostats. This is a smart Wi-Fi thermostat, or was a smart Wi-Fi thermostat until recently. I own this, but King Electrical Manufacturing decided, well, we think we own it, we're gonna shut it off. So they disabled it. They broke my property. So that's the basis of my small claims. They broke my property. They sent out a letter in the spring or in the winter. I was really busy with family stuff. And it basically said, fuck you, buy another one. Here's 10-20% off or whatever. I'll post it in the link in the description or up here if I decide to edit this. I tried to reach out and extend a kind olive branch to the manufacturer. Got a hold of one of the officers and we decided to have a conversation. We decided that, yeah, he's gonna try to help us get the source code possibly, get the firmware, maybe make this open source. He said, give him a couple weeks. I gave him a couple weeks. He said he was gonna send me a couple of replacements. He asked me how many I had. I told him how many rooms I had. Those never arrived. I tried contacting him. My calls and everything were ignored. Got an email back from him when I told him, hey, I'm just gonna file small claims on you. He said that was cyberbullying, whatever. And then he told me basically any idiot can go up and hit the button up or down to turn up and down the heat. These are not that simple to operate when they don't have the internet connectivity. And the only reason why I bought these was for the internet connectivity, to be able to turn my heat on remotely when I'm not home, if I want to come to a toasty home, or if I forget to turn the heat down when I leave or something, I can do it. That's the purpose of these. Not is a manual thermostat. That's not what I bought. I bought something with internet connectivity. They did not give me an end of life date. They did not tell me on the box that it says we're going to only support this for 3 years or until 2025. No, from the conversation I had with the officer or president or CEO or whoever he was, his name is Brad Wilson, and they canceled their back-end service provider on their own free will. Alea Networks is the company. They did not cancel King. King canceled them. So they purposely disabled my equipment. They broke my stuff. So I am gonna go in there and file a small claims suit on them for the replacement of this, for the cost to replace this, the reverse engineering so that I can get it to work with the internet if I need to go that far. I've slowly been dabbling at it, but I've already found out the microcontroller's a programmable only. You cannot read it. There are ways of reading it, but we won't go there yet. So I'm gonna go in there and I'm gonna file this lawsuit. I'm back from talking with the county clerk. I have my paperwork. It is filed, it is stamped, it is paid for. I have filed a small claim suit against King Electrical Manufacturing for breaking my thermostats. I suggest anybody that has an Atmoz thermostat, find their county clerk, file small claims against them. It's the only way it's gonna get traction. Don't settle for a fuck you, buy another one. Here's a 20% off coupon. Not gonna happen. It's a lot of money to swap these out. You have to either do it yourself if you know how, hire an electrician, pay permit fees. It's not as simple as just, here, swap them out. So we'll see them in court.